Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. Finally, the biggest rival of the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra leaked in a new hands-on live look. According to the latest available data, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra leaked hands-on image reveals changes to the camera module. It is also reported that the new flagship will be the best camera smartphone in the year. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. New reports claim that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is slated to launch in China and global markets next month. It will be the most premium flagship model in the Xiaomi 15 series lineup that debuted last October and consists of standard and Pro models. Key details about the upcoming smartphone have already surfaced. Now, a leaker on X has shared a hands-on live image of the Xiaomi 15 Ultra. It seemingly confirms the design of the smartphone, and it also corroborates previously leaked renders. Xiaomi 15 Ultra appears in leaked hands-on image. As per the latest leaked hands-on image, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra will retain the huge protruding circular camera island found on its predecessor. It is seen with a textured back panel in a black color option. Past leaks also revealed the device in a white shade. The most notable change in the upcoming offering is in terms of sensor arrangement on the camera module. The Leica branding is positioned horizontally at the top left. Besides, it is a periscope lens. The row below them has three sensors beside each other. These include a 1-inch big primary sensor, an ultra-wide-angle unit, and a telephoto lens. The frame of the camera module also seems to be accentuated by red color, so that it does not blend with the rear panel like the Xiaomi 14 Ultra. The dual LED flash unit is located at the top of the camera island. The leaker adds that the Xiaomi 15 Ultra would be the only imaging flagship with 1-inch main camera and a 200-megapixel periscope lens. As per new rumors, the Xiaomi 15 Ultra is expected to be powered by a Snapdragon 8 Elite processor and 6000 mAh battery unit. It is tipped to come with support for 90 watts wired and 50 watts wireless charging. The device will feature satellite connectivity and is expected to be the first Xiaomi Ultra phone to have eSIM connectivity. With leaks and rumors gathering pace about the Xiaomi 15 Ultra, we can expect the brand to start sharing official details soon. The Xiaomi 15 Ultra is also expected to launch globally. The new reports claim that the smartphone will launch in February 2025. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.